This is a pond area that's going to be dug out. Digger's on his way. Okay, the pond's being dug now. First stages. The pond is going to be 1 metre to 1.5 metres deep with shelves and troughs. In the bottom layer. And you see the Thai cement mixer in effect. Piling's now installed with the metal grid. The rocks have arrived. This is large, nice, big, natural rock. And these will make up the sides and the waterfall. All the pipe work is in. The waterfall has been built. We have more rocks coming in, and obviously the planting will finish it off. The sleeper pathway. New sala. We have wall features and traditional Thai paving statues. An ornamental concrete bench. And a nice big natural waterfall with complete filtration. The finished article.